What's up YouTube, what's up everybody, it's your boy Kanzi Beats right here with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So right guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly export your beats. So make sure you stick right in the video so you can see how you could properly export your beat. Right, so before I get to today's video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and also click the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Now let's get to today's video. Let's go. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, so guys, in today's video I have this beat, of course, I made. I'm going to play the beat so you guys could listen before I could show you how I'm going to export this beat. So here goes the beat.
Hey, you Kanzi, spice that shit up.
So yeah, I know the beat was fire. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to show you how you could properly export your beat. So before you export your beat, there's one thing you need to do that I know is sure is make sure you have all your sounds individually routed to the mixer. For a reason I'm going to show you if you stick right in the video. So guys, there are two ways you could actually save your beat. You could use Control R, or you could go to this file menu here and then click on WAV file or MP3 file, but I'm just going to click WAV file. And then you want to if you have a place where you save your beats, you want to go there so you could your beats, you're gonna be well organized. Your beats are going to be well placed and organized, easy for you to find wherever your beats are. So put it right here, then I'm gonna just rename it. So sorry. Okay, then you click save, and then this is gonna open. Just in case you have yours like this, just click on this button right here. It's going to open all the menu. Then you want to make sure you have this set on full song, because if it's in the pattern mode, it's going to save your song. You can see right here it's moved to pattern mode. If you put it in pattern mode, it's going to save your songs from the pattern, but you want to leave that as full song. And then move over to the tail. You want to leave your tail at leave reminder, because if you put it on cut reminder, it's going to cut the beat immediately as the beat ends. But you want to put it on leave reminder. Leave reminder, sorry, it's going to let the beat die off itself. It's going to like die gradually. You're going to hear that. You're going to hear like you're going to hear the beat die gradually. So you want to leave that as leave reminder. And wrap reminder, sorry, it's for making loops. So we're not going to do that because we're going to save a beat. So click that on leave reminder, sorry. And then you want to make sure it's on 24 bits, because most streaming platform accepts beats in 24 bits. I do not know about 16, but right now I know it's like Spotify and all most streaming platform will take beats at 24 bits. So you want to make sure it's on 24 bits. And then you want to put your resampling at the highest, which is 512. You want to leave that there. These three options right here will be will be selected on default, so you don't know what to mess with there. And then clicking on split mixer tracks, that's where saving your your sounds, routing your sounds individually to the mixer comes in. If you want to save your sounds from the mixer, if you click on this, it's going to do that for you. Maybe you, just in case you're having a collab with someone, or you want to send your beats out for mastering, you could just do this for, it's to make it easy for whoever it's going to master your beats, or for the engineer. But I'm not going to do that. And doing that is going to take a whole lot of disk space. The file is going to be bigger. When you do that, you can see when I declick it, it's going to be the file is reduced. Clicking on it is going to make it big. We're not going to save that. We're just going to save a beat. So now if you want to save your beats in MP3, all you need to do is click on the MP3 button. You can save for OGG or MIDI, or you click on the MP3 if you want to save. Put your bitrate at the highest, which is mine is 350 kbps. But I'm not going to save my beats in MP3. I'm going to save it in WAV. And then I think that's all you have to do. That's the basic thing you have to know to save your beats. And then once that's done, you have to click the start, and then it's going to automatically render your beats out for you. I'm not going to do that because I already have the beats saved. Yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope you understood everything I've said in this video. Follow these procedures if you want to save your beats the proper way. Yeah guys, so always remember to do explore. That's the only way you can find or do new things. So, and do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and click the notification button so you can get notified for my next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you same time, same channel. Hey, let's go.